and congratulations are in order for Miss Kitty and her husband, Mr. Wilkinson. Now they are having a baby girl. Congrats, Miss Kitty. You did it, girl. You waited, and I mean, you have done so much in the lives of a lot of young ladies in Jamaica and over the world. And I must say that we here at Mixup Blend Up, we are so excited for you, and we just want to congratulate you and your husband and your child to be. And we're looking forward to seeing your child grow and, just take on the world and be as special as you are and as wonderful as you are. Once again, we here at Mixup Blend Up, congratulations, send congratulations to you, Miss Kitty, and we hope for a safe delivery for you. Have yourselves, lovelies, a wonderful day, and go and catch the video to see what's happening here with Miss Kitty.
All right, this is the real count now to 3 in a German. Listen good.
1, 2, 3.
That's it. Yes. Oh my God. That's it. Team girl. Yes. 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 It's a girl. Woo. Wow. You know what? It's a girl. Yeah. Team girl.
The hour is dark.
Tears of joy. Miss Kitty having a baby girl, a beautiful baby girl any moment now. You understand? People, flood the comment section. Send out some congratulations once again. Big up yourself, Miss Kitty. Big up yourself, Mr. Wilkinson. Mr. Wilkinson. The man look like same know him talking to people. The man say, him put Miss Kitty in a certain position so he know see a girl a come. And see it there? When him pop the thing, it's a girl. You understand? Jano Star. It's a good look. You understand? It's a good look. Miss Kitty a cry. Oh my. Tears of joy. She come out looking very nice. Very wonderful. Big her up. It's a good look, people. Share the video. Thumbs up. You don't know, subscribe for the latest. You don't know, we always have all the latest over on this platform. Youngest TV. Big up to all of my supporters. Giving God thanks. Happy New Year to all of my supporters. Once again, big up on yourself. Miss Kitty and her New Year's baby. 2024, brand new year. I don't know anything already. Yeah, man. Fresh year.